Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to find people on Bluesky. To find people on Bluesky, we have two methods for you. First method, using the search bar. Open the Bluesky app on your device. Tap the magnifying glass icon or the search at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the search box. Enter the name, username, or domain handle. For example, add username, .bsky, that's social, of the person you're looking for. Browse the search results and tap on the profile to view or follow them. Last method, using suggestions or followers list. Navigate to the profile of someone you already follow or find popular accounts in your niche. Tap on their followers or following list. Scroll through the list to discover and follow people of interest. And that's the two methods on how to find people on Bluesky. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.